time we get ready for fall, guys. So I have some fall transitional outfits right here, as you guys can see. I mean, the weather is getting a little cooler. It's been raining all week, so that is like giving that fall vibes, and I feel like this is always the perfect time to start building up your fall wardrobes. And I have some outfits right here that I feel like they are just that perfect, you know, look between summer and fall. You know how like you don't need to dress too cozy, but then also you need to kind of layer up and things like that. So that is basically what I have here. I don't know how to stop this glare from this light here. Should I just probably, yeah, I guess it's better to just put this off, because I noticed that it was kind of giving some type of glare from the back. I have 5 looks right here, and I think we're gonna start with this one right here. This is a strapless dress, guys, and it's also leather. Come on, you can't go wrong with leather when it comes to the fall season, because you know that, you know, fall, it's kind of in between hot and cold. And what do you know about leather? Leather materials always keeps people warm. It's kind of when you wear leather in the summer, you always find yourself sweating a lot. So this is like the part, even though it's strapless, but it's just still perfect for kind of the transitional season, you know, between summer and fall. This is just perfect, and I love the color, the brown color. Let me just quickly go ahead and put it on so you guys can see how it looks. So here we are. As you guys can see, this looks so good. It's just perfect, especially for a brown skin, guys. Look at this. And I decided to pair it with my kind of a leopard shoe. I'm not sure if you guys can see my camera, so I paired it with this shoe right here. Absolutely love how the whole look came together. The shoe is like leopard, you know, like brown and black, and then I paired it with this YSL purse and some gold accessories. I mean, if you know me well, you know that anything gold, I'm in on it. I'm actually also filming with my phone, so I'm going to probably insert the full length by the side so that you guys can see. Look at this gorgeous, beautiful dress right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it all the way, but of course, like I said, I'm going to put the full look by the side. But look at this, absolutely beautiful. I mean, what woman don't like all them, you know, sexy dresses? I really do love this right here. I love the fitting. It has kind of a crisscross, you know, at the back, which kind of adds a little bit of, you know, to the dress. And of course, I feel like I'm gonna wear this with a green shoe so that everything is greening, you know what I mean. I'm gonna wear it with this. Yeah, this actually goes, so I'm going to wear it with this pumps right here. I love it, guys. Love it. So sexy. And this dress is under $30. Can you believe that? This next look is more like a layered look, as you guys can see. So I have like my cardigan, my sweater, whatever you want to call it. This is just, of course, perfect, especially when we're moving more and more and more and more into fall. So I have this right here, but if you just want to like maybe you dress on these, you know, I have this kind of crop top and then my jean, so you can dress like this and then just put this in your car in case when it gets a little bit chilly, you know, towards the evening. So of course you can never go wrong with a cardigan when it comes to kind of your transitional fall, summer to fall look. Here we are, as you guys can see. I just love that this look is very, very edgy, you know, it's quite edgy, and for some reason I feel like I can rock this to an office. This can be kind of an office look, you know, with a cardigan, the crop top, the trouser, and then I decided to pair it with this kind of high-heeled shoe. And I love how the whole look ties together. It's kind of, this is actually a very dark, it's kind of navy blue, you know, the color you see on it. When I saw it on the website, I thought it was black, but then when it got here it was blue. So of course I had to make it work. I decided to pair it with a dark blue jean, a white crop top, and yeah. For transitional looks, dresses are still winning, as you guys can see. This right here, it's kind of an off-shoulder dress. Absolutely love it. And I actually just discovered it has a pocket. I mean, I'm a fan of any outfit that has pockets. So this right here, I absolutely love. And I'm going to pair it also with I'm going to show you guys the slippers. This slippers is so cute. Tell me this is not cute, guys. It's kind of fur. Look. Love it, love it, love it. So it's kind of all cranberry, brown, wine red. It has kind of a touch of brown, cranberry color, wine red, all the reds. That is what we have here. And look at this fur purse. I decided to pair it with this purse right here. It's a nice fur purse, and then with the slippers. Another layered look is this right here. Of course, I have this Plaid, yeah, that's what it's called. It has mixtures of colors, brown, black, kind of cream, kind of gray on it. So I'm going to be pairing it with these two black, and also I have like my accessories. I have a tan hat, a tan bag, and also my tan boots to go with this look right here. So here we are. This is the last look, guys. So we have 5 looks that is just perfect for the transitional fall weather, guys. And this right here is like the perfect fall transitional look. As you guys can see, I have my hat, I have my bag, I have my shoe, everything matching, and then this plaid kind of should I say jacket? Yeah, that's the right word, jacket. You know, I decided to throw on this jacket, and it's just a very nice, well put together, coordinated look. It's like all black and then with tan, or should I call this brown? Yeah, but yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and of course everything is going to be linked in my description box. If there's anything you saw in this video that you really want, definitely check out my description box. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon.